Looking for a pepper mill that actually lives up to your expectations? The ParisUSelect Pepper Mill by Peugeot promises to transform your cooking with precise, even grinding that unlocks the full flavor of your peppercorns. Crafted in France and finished in a rich chocolate color, this mill isn't just a tool, it's an experience that elevates every meal. What sets the ParisUSelect apart is its patented USelect system, designed to give you total control over your grind. Whether you want an extra fine dusting or a coarse crunch, simply twist the top to choose from 6 distinct settings. The two-stage grinding mechanism first cracks the peppercorns gently, then grinds them to your exact preference, ensuring consistent texture and flavor every time. Peugeot's dedication to quality shines through in every detail. After more than 200 years of expertise, their engineers crafted stainless steel gears treated with a special coating to resist corrosion and rust. This means your mill will keep working smoothly and look great for years. Plus, the design is tailored specifically for peppercorns, delivering a grind that's both precise and balanced. But why does grind size matter? Because it changes everything about your pepper's taste. A fine grind releases the pepper's spicy kick, perfect for seasoning soups or delicate dishes. A coarser grind highlights the aromatic oils and deeper flavors, ideal for steaks or roasted vegetables. The ParisUSelect lets you find your perfect balance and enjoy the full spectrum of pepper's natural complexity. Right out of the box, the mill comes partially filled with tan Hoi black peppercorns from Vietnam, known for their warm, woody tones. This means you can start seasoning immediately, no extra steps needed. When it's time to refill, just unscrew the top knob, lift off the head, and pour in fresh peppercorns up to 1/4 inch in size. It's simple, clean, and hassle-free. If you've ever been frustrated by pepper grinders that jam, grind unevenly, or feel cheap in your hand, the ParisUSelect is a breath of fresh air. One user shared how it brings back the satisfying crack and smooth flow you'd expect from a high-end restaurant grinder. The build quality feels solid and refined, with a satisfying rumble as it works through your peppercorns. Whether you prefer a coarse grind or something finer, this mill delivers with ease and consistency. Worth a look if you want a reliable, stylish pepper mill that enhances your cooking and lasts for years. It's not just about seasoning, it's about enjoying the ritual of preparing your food with a tool designed to bring out the best flavors. If that's you, the ParisUSelect Pepper Mill is ready to become your go-to kitchen companion. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your seasoning game. With its precision, durability, and elegant French design, the ParisUSelect Pepper Mill by Peugeot offers exactly what you want in a pepper grinder, and then some. Experience the art of French living and make every meal a little more flavorful.